Hello, we are at GULFOOD Manufacturing 2019. We are at the booth of PACKPACT, your partner in advanced processing and packaging. PACKPACT is a network of 7 Italian leading companies in processing and packaging. The 7 Italian companies decide to join this network to offer to the international market the high quality of the made in Italy in packaging technology. Let's go to hear now from each company the adding values to be part of a network like PACKPACT and which are the values for customer to face with a unique partner as PACKPACT is.
Hello, this is Renato Dell'Oro. I'm area manager from Kama Group, and together with the company we are part of PACKPACT. The advantage of that I see personally of being part of this network is that we are approaching new markets as a pool of companies, and this is giving us more strength because I think together we are stronger. Main advantages for our customer that are approaching PACKPACT, well, are I would say 3 main ones are we are one-stop solution, so in one stop they find all the partners for their packaging and labeling needs. Then we are offering a full range of integrated solution because we are a net and we cooperate together. And last but not least, it's important that we are offering a made in Italy complete solution, and so a common way to develop the business and to face our customer needs.
I believe it's a great opportunity to attract customers since the company belonging to the network can provide complete lines for many type of products. This already happened in some projects with satisfaction of the customer. Customer visiting the booth of PACKPACT can find a full package of technical solution for their products, starting from the handling of the empty containers, to filling, to labeling, to packing, up to the final shipper on pallet, ready to be loaded on trucks.
Well, Italian companies participating in PACKPACT network are all market leaders in the processing and packaging sector. This is for sure an advantage that allows us to approach the market with a comprehensive high-level technical solution, starting from primary package up to end of line, and it's a way to optimize and enhance our business.
Good morning, Maurizio Donini, Commercial Director of Ronchi Mario SPA. PACKPACT, net of companies. We are here together and we are experiencing the advantages for us as manufacturer and expositors to be together in a unique show. For the customers, the value added of being together in a unique booth on the exhibition is enormous. We find that the customers are happy to find together with Ronchi and with the other companies the machines for all their need.
PACKPACT has a peculiarity, so none of the companies involved in the network is in competition with each other, and they are all technically connected.
Thanks to this Italian network, we are now approaching emerging new markets, and of course the aim of this synergy is to spread our products and to let our products known all over the world.
Through PACKPACT, each company can strengthen its own business connection and increase customer loyalty. And the networking is moreover a great opportunity to exchange best practice knowledge and gain fresh ideas and new perspectives.
It was a pleasure to meet PACKPACT Network here at GULFOOD Manufacturing 2019. If you want more information relating PACKPACT, please reach the website www.packpact.it.